You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this number, this year. In French, the French pronunciation 2000. Deux is French for two, mille is thousand. 25. 2025. Normally the number 20 is pronounced 20 with a silent T, but because somehow you pronounce the T here. 25. 2025. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.